Here's our workshop, our biodynamic workshop group in June, doing a compost heap. There's 8-9 of us here all working away on this beautiful windrow compost heap, which should make at least a cubic metre of compost. So we're putting on the green layer here, some finished off pumpkins from this huge pumpkin patch I have here, which has been cropping now for 6 months, and we're using the some of the finished off vines as our green. We're cutting some grass, and we've got sugarcane mulch for our dry and some cow manure from a local dairy. Doing this layered biodynamic compost heap, and there will be biodynamic compost preparations that will go onto the heap shortly. This is at our biodynamic workshop, so it's Peter Carney from myfoodgarden.com.au.